What is your name? My name is Julia. Where are you from? I'm from Austria. Are you a student? Yes, I'm a student. Where do you study? I study in a college. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Are you single? Yes, I'm single. What is your father? He is a lawyer. What is your mother? She is a teacher. Tell me about your siblings. We are two brothers and two sisters. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Do you like watching movies? Yes, I like watching movies. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Mummy. What is your favorite sport? Tennis is my favorite sport. Do you play tennis? Yes, I play tennis. Who is your favorite tennis star? Steffi Graf is my favorite tennis star. Do you like reading books? Yes, I like reading books. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is The Fall of Roman Empire. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming. Are you free in the evening? Yes, I'll be free. What about going to the national park? That's great idea. I'll pick you from your hostel. I'll be ready. See you. Bye.